Good evening. I think so. You are all good, my dear student. I have just not uploaded the today's video. Right now I come back and let's see the video of today. So this is a chapter number 4, structure of the atom, class of chemistry, class 9. Today I am come with the topic valency or combining capacity of element. So we have to be understand the valency or combining capacity of the element. Let us understand. We all know that electrons in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electrons. Second, the outermost shell of an atom can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons, and third, the outermost shell containing 8 electrons is said to have an octet and is filled to capacity. As I know, it is known that atoms having an octet are unreactive and stable. For example, all the noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, except helium, contain 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Helium has only 2 electrons and its outermost shell. All these elements are chemically unreactive and stable. The valency of such element is taken to be 0. So elements other than noble gases elements contain less than 8 electrons in their outermost shell. These elements are chemically reactive and unstable. They tend to acquire the stable elements that lead to chemical reaction. The noble gases configuration is active by element by losing, gaining, or sharing of electrons. The number of electrons lost, gained, or shared by an atom determines the valency of the element concerned. This is the pure definition, one line definition. Valency of elements having 4 electrons in their outermost shell are determined by the following rule. Valency is equal to number of electron in the outermost shell. Let us see the topic in the few seconds. Is it make it clear? So we are discussing the valency. Try to understand the formula. The formula valency that I have written, the valency is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Let us understand it with the help of example. How it is to be clarified, let us take the brief example. Don't skip the video, go throughout the complete video, and it is be very important for you that read the chapter without skipping the video. Read the topic without skipping the video. So my dear student, it's my humble request to all of you. Don't skip the video, go throughout to watch complete video. So let us understand these things in the clear concept. I will going to mentor you. So for example, hydrogen. For example, hydrogen, lithium, Li, and sodium, Na, have 1 electron in their outermost shell. Cells. Hence their valency is 1. Valency is 1. Similarly, magnesium and ammonium and aluminium Al have 2 electrons and 3 electrons, have 2 and 3 electrons in their outermost cells, and hence their valencies are, and hence their valencies are 2 and 3 respectively. But when the number of electrons, in the outermost cell is close to it, the valencies are determined by the following rule. The valencies are determined by the following rules. Which rule we have to follow? Let us see. Valency is equal to 8 into valency is equal to 8 minus number of electrons in the outermost state. Number of electrons in the outermost state. So this you have to be keep in your mind. This rule will be followed when there is a close to it. When there is a number of outermost cell is close to it. Number of electrons. For example, chlorine has chlorine has 7 electrons. Chlorine Cl has 7 electrons in its outermost cell. Hence its valency is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. How? 8 minus number of electrons in the outermost cell. Similarly, oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost cell. Hence its valency is 8 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus, hence its valency is 8 minus 6 is equal to 1. There is a 7 now. We have to write here 1. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So these are the things we have to be understand. For example, hydrogen, lithium and sodium have a 1 electron in their outermost cell, and their valency is 1. Similarly, magnesium, Mg and aluminum Al have 2 and 3 electrons in their outermost shells, and their valencies are 2 or 3 respectively. But when the number of electrons in the outermost shell is close to it, the valencies are determined by the following. Valency is equal to 8 minus number of electrons in the outermost shell. For example, chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell, hence its valency is 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Similarly, oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost shell, hence its valency is 8 minus 6 is equal to 1. So this is the thing you have to be just keep in your mind. Few things I always give you according to my point of view, that is very helpful for some students who doesn't remember the valencies of few elements or compounds. This is very helpful in class 10th also. So if you are given the examination of class 9, you must see the video and understand it in the off time. And then relax mode, you can understand it. So let us understand this. Some valencies of the electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of the first 20 elements of the first 20 elements and their valencies and their okay. So let us understand it in a simple concept. This is the part of valency. So first of all, element, number of electrons in the outermost shell. Element, number of electrons in the outermost shell, and the last one is valence. Draw like this chart. This is very helpful for you. You keep in your mind that you have to learn. We start from the hydrogen and come to the calcium. Hydrogen symbol you have to write here. Helium, lithium, beryllium. Boron, carbon. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum. Neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Chlorine, argon, potassium, and the last one is calcium. These are the name of the elements, and right now we have to write the number of electrons present. 1 2 1 2, hydrogen 1, helium 1 2, lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, neon 8, fluorine 7, neon 8, sodium 1, magnesium 2, sodium 1, magnesium 2, aluminum 3, silicon 4, aluminum 3, silicon 4, phosphorus 5, sulfur 6, phosphorus 5, sulfur 6, chlorine 7, argon 8, chlorine 7, argon 8, and potassium 1, calcium 2, potassium and calcium 2. So the number of electron in the outermost shell present is that the valency 1, hydrogen, helium 0, lithium 2, lithium 1, lithium 1, beryllium 2, lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1, neon 0, fluorine 1, neon 0, sodium 1, magnesium 2, sodium 1, magnesium 2, aluminum 3, silicon 4, aluminum 3, silicon 4, 3 and 5 both of phosphorus, sulfur 2, sulfur 2, chlorine 1, sulfur 2, chlorine 1, argon 0, potassium 1, and that is 2. So these are the valencies of combining capacity of element we are reading. The electronic configuration of the first 20 elements and their valency. Hydrogen 1, valency 1, helium 2, valency 0, lithium 1, valency 1, beryllium 2, valency 2, boron 3, valency 3, the number of outermost cell I am telling. Carbon 4 outermost cell, valency is 4, 5 outermost cell, 3 valency, 6 oxygen 6 valency, 2 outermost cell, fluorine 7, valency 1, neon 8, valency 0, sodium 1, valency 1, magnesium 2, valency 2, magnesium aluminum 3, valency 3, silicon 4, valency 4, phosphorus 5, valency 3 and 5, so phosphorus 6, valency 2, chlorine 7, valency 1, argon 8, valency 0, potassium 1, valency 1, and the calcium 2, valency 2. So these are the things you have to be understanding in a simple and broader concept. So my dear students, these are the things you have to be remember, you have to be kept in your mind. Remember means not you are going to be learn it like a parrot. You have to just understand it, just keep in your mind and make it revise more and more times. And then it should be make you remember. And after that you can write in your copy as a practice. That it should must be remembered on your mind and you have to be just keep in your mind. So this is all about the today topic. Let us now understand solve the NCERT questions. Let us solve the NCERT questions. There are only one question. There is only one question of NCERT page number. In page number 52. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? Questions. NCERT. Page number. This is 52. Page number. Single question is there. Question number 1. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? And Let us understand this question in a very simple and easy steps. Let us make it clear in this way. How will you find the valency of So let's start the answer. If the number of electron in the if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom, if the number of electron in the outermost shell of the atom of an element is less than or equal to 4, then the valency of the element is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. On the other hand, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom of an element is greater than 4, then the valency of the element is determined by subtracting the number of electrons in the outermost shell from 8. Okay, so the distribution of electron in chlorine, the distribution of electron in chlorine, sulfur and magnesium atoms are 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 6 and 2, 8, 2 respectively. Therefore, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of chlorine sulfur and magnesium atom are 7, 6 and 2 respectively. Okay, so thus the valency of chlorine of 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Valency of sulfur 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, and the valency of magnesium to valency of magnesium is so my dear student, let us understand this in a clear way. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? If the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom element is less than or equal to 4, then the valency of the electron is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. On the other hand, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom of the element is greater, equal to 4, and on the other hand, if the number of electron in the outermost shell of the atom of an element is less than or equal to 4, then the valency of the element is equal to the number of electrons in the outermost shell. On the other hand, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the atom in an element is greater than 4, then the valency of the element is determined by subtracting the number of electrons in the outermost shell from it. The distribution of electron in chlorine, sulfur and magnesium atoms are 287, 286 and 282 respectively. Therefore, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of the chlorine, sulfur and magnesium atom are 7, 6 and 2. So the valency of chlorine 8, valency of sulfur is 6 and valency of magnesium is 2. So this is the answer of this question. This is a long video today. So thank you for watching my video. This is Surya, chemistry teacher. Welcome to channel Chemistry Wala Answer. Thank you all of you. Don't skip the video. Go through all video and complete watch the video. Give more views, like and share to the student of class 9th and also take a view to other student. Then come and join the channel and learn the chemistry in the simple and easy state. Thank you all of you. Take care.